Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we will discuss how to customize tags. By default, if you go to annotate, there is a tag for everything. There is a tag by category and there is a predefined tags. But what if I want to create my own tag according to my company's standard, my country's standard? How can I change that to whatever I want? This is what you're going to learn in this video. We will start from the scratch. So we'll go to like File, New, then select Family. And then we will make sure that we are in English, annotations, and we will search for the word tag. So it's a metric generic tag. That's a very generic tag that fits in everybody's elements. But we will change that inside the work. We'll say open. We are opening the tag. It's an empty. I'm going to zoom and see the notes. The note says use properties, family, categories, and parameters, which is this one. Yes. To set the tags categories, very important step. Then insertion point is at the intersection of ref planes, which is this one. Very important, the location of the tag you will create or the label. Delete this note before using the family. We'll delete it. Great. And what I'm going to do something over here under create. I will start the text command, though we will not use the text command, but in order to get the diameter symbol, we will make this work around. We'll go to text, we'll click over here, it's an empty thing. We will right click and say symbols, and then go to diameter sign. There you go. I'll just simply select it and Control C to copy it. Then I can get rid of it. That's it. It's a very important step to start with. I'll go to create. I'll go to label. This time this is the correct one. I go to label, and then I will select this intersection point as my work. We will start with we made a mistake. We should have done that before. This is why it's not showing the information that I need. Family, category, and parameters. And I will go to structure. This should be the first step to do. This is the one, structural rebar tags, and we'll make sure that rotate with component is turned on. We'll say okay. Right now I'll get out of this, go to create again, go to label, and click on the intersection over here, and you're going to see that the information now is aligned with the type that I selected. So we'll go like bar diameter. Now we have a prefix and a suffix. Control V in order to get this simple. Then a space as a separator between the number that will appear as a bar diameter and this one. Then suffix, I need to space, and we will put backslash or slash. So it will show the phi space bar diameter slash, and I need to add a piece of information, which is the spacing. So spacing will be the second information to be done. I'll say okay just to look at, yes, look at the tag. The tag will be phi bar diameter slash spacing. This is how it is. Of course, you need to do all the steps that we learned previously, but in order to test your work, you're going to load it without saving. You can do that. And since I load it, now it's working. I can add one, and when you hover over the longitudinal, you're going to see a phi 13 millimeter slash 250 millimeter as spacing, and yes, it's a phi of a 10 millimeter and 200 millimeter as a spacing. So this is something that maybe your company will ask you to show, not the regular tags that comes with Revit. So this is a very simple thing, and that will give you the beginning of a road of customizing whatever you want from the tags, how they will look like, and what is the information to be shown. Don't depend on whatever Revit is giving you. Great. I'd like you to go to the PDF file, locate tutorial 55, go to the RVT file, locate tutorial 55, and solve the tutorial as I did in this video. Thank you very much.